Hi, I'm Caleb with SnapSafe, and today we're going to be going over the installation process of the SnapSafe In-Wall and In-Wall tall safes. For today's purposes, we're just going to be doing the standard In-Wall as it translates directly to the tall, just with different dimensions. The tools you're going to need for installation are stud finder, drywall saw, level, pencil, tape measure, socket wrench, 13mm socket, 1/4-inch drill bit, and a drill. It is important to consider that walls contain pipes, wires, and other obstructions. Cutting into these obstructions can be dangerous and cause significant property damage. Be sure to carefully choose a location or consult with a professional contractor to find a safe place to install. SnapSafe In-Wall safes are designed to fit between two studs that are 16 inches on center. Before installation, it is important to check the safe's function. The safe is functioning and we're ready to begin installation. Now that we have found a safe location in our example wall to install the safe, we must use a stud finder to locate the studs. I have marked my intended height for the bottom of the safe. I must now measure up 20 inches to mark the top cut line. If I were installing the tall safe, it would be 42 inches up. I'm going to now use a level to mark out the top and bottom cut lines between the studs. I'm going to now use a drywall saw to cut the top and bottom cut lines. Now we're going to use a level to mark out our vertical lines. Using a drywall saw, I'm going to now cut along our vertical lines. I'm going to now place the safe into the wall and open it, and then mark my spots to pre-drill holes for securing it. In this standard model, there are 5 holes. In the tall, there are 8. I'm now going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill out the previously marked locations. We're now going to install a lag screw and washer into our pre-drilled holes using a socket wrench and 13mm socket. We're going to be careful not to over tighten as we can distort the safe body and affect operation. We are now going to install the floor mat and other accessories into the safe. We are now going to install the shelves in the safe by first placing the shelf tab on the latch side of the safe and the other side of the shelf on the hinge side of the safe. A great new feature is the safe can be installed for both right-hand and left-hand operation. To do this, we would simply rotate the safe 180 degrees from the way we have installed it to go to the opposite hand operation. As well, we will also want to remove the key cover and flip it over. For more information on this safe and all of our other products, please check out our social media platforms and snapsafe.com.